Today, I'll show you exactly how to test battery voltage using a multimeter. First, grab your test leads and plug them in. The red lead goes into the port labeled V ohm or input, depending on the multimeter that you're using, and the black test lead goes into the port labeled COM. Make sure the red lead is in the V ohm or input port and not the 10 amp port labeled A. Next, turn the dial to DC voltage, which is marked with a solid line above a dashed line. Since this Kaiweets meter is auto-ranging, you don't have to choose a voltage range. It'll do that for you. Now take the black probe and touch it to the negative end of the battery, then touch the red probe to the positive end. Hold both probes steady for a second and the voltage reading will appear on the screen. A fresh AA or AAA alkaline battery should read around 1.5 volts. If it's closer to 1.2 volts or lower, it's probably nearing the end of its useful life. A healthy 9-volt battery should read close to 9 volts, and a CR2032 coin cell should read close to 3 volts. A good rule of thumb is to compare the reading to the voltage that's printed right on the battery. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this is an open circuit voltage test. That means you're measuring the battery without it powering a device. Occasionally, a battery can still show the correct voltage, but not perform well under load. Even so, this quick test is a great way to identify batteries that are obviously dead and avoid throwing away ones that still have life left. Whether you're checking batteries from a TV remote, flashlight, smoke detector, your kids' toys, or other household electronics, this simple test only takes a few seconds and can save you money by helping you keep the good batteries and recycle the bad ones. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.